Picture this. You wake up tomorrow morning and check your bank account. Instead of seeing the same disappointing balance, you see an extra $10,000 sitting there. Then next month, another 10,000, and the month after that, another 10,000. Sound impossible? What if I told you there are complete beginners doing exactly this right now using nothing but cold emails? While everyone's panicking about recession and job cuts, smart entrepreneurs are quietly building recession proof income streams. And the best part? You don't need any special skills, fancy equipment, or massive startup capital. You just need to master one simple skill that businesses desperately need right now. Today, I'm going to show you the exact cold email strategy that's helping complete beginners generate their first $10,000 months in just 90 days. We're talking about a skill so valuable that companies will literally beg you to help them once you understand how to do this properly. But before we dive in, let me be crystal clear about something. This isn't some get rich quick scheme or magic button. This is a legitimate business strategy that requires work, persistence, and the right approach. However, if you follow what I'm about to show you step by step, you'll have everything you need to build a sustainable income that actually grows stronger during economic uncertainty. Why cold email? Simple. Every single business on the planet needs customers, and in tough economic times, they need them even more desperately. Cold email is how you help them get those customers while getting paid handsomely for your expertise. Here's what makes cold email the perfect recession proof strategy. First, it's completely location independent. You can do this from anywhere in the world with just a laptop and internet connection. Second, it's infinitely scalable. Once you dial in your process, you can literally send thousands of emails per day. Third, businesses always need lead generation, regardless of economic conditions. In fact, they need it more when times are tough. Let me share something that might shock you. Most businesses are sitting on gold mines of potential revenue, but have no idea how to reach their ideal customers. They're spending thousands on ineffective marketing while their perfect prospects are just a well crafted email away. This is your opportunity. The cold email strategy I'm about to reveal works because it solves a genuine problem that every business faces: getting qualified leads consistently. When you position yourself as someone who can solve this problem reliably, you become incredibly valuable. Here's the step by step breakdown. First, you need to understand what makes cold email different from spam. Spam is generic, irrelevant, and provides no value. Professional cold email is highly targeted, personally relevant, and offers genuine value to the recipient. Your cold email strategy starts with research. You're not randomly blasting emails to every business you can find. Instead, you're identifying specific types of businesses that have clear problems you can solve. For example, local restaurants that need more customers, software companies launching new products, or real estate agents who want more listings. The key is choosing businesses that already understand the value of marketing and have money to spend on it. Avoid businesses that are just starting out or industries that traditionally don't invest in marketing. You want to target established businesses that already spend money on advertising but aren't getting the results they want. Once you've identified your target market, you need to craft emails that grab attention immediately. Your subject line is everything. If they don't open your email, nothing else matters. The best subject lines create curiosity or promise immediate value. Something like quick question about your Google ads or noticed an issue with your website traffic. Inside the email, you want to follow a proven structure. Start with a personalized observation about their business. Maybe you notice their website gets good traffic but conversions seem low, or their social media has great engagement but doesn't seem to translate to sales. This shows you actually looked at their business instead of sending a generic template. Next, mention a specific result you achieved for a similar business. Don't just say you help with marketing. Say something like, "We helped a restaurant in Dallas increase their weekend bookings by 40% in 6 weeks using a simple email sequence." Specific results create credibility. Then present your offer as a low-risk way to get similar results. This isn't about selling a massive contract up front. It's about offering a small test that proves your value. Maybe it's a free audit, a small trial campaign, or a performance-based arrangement where you only get paid if you deliver results. The magic happens in your follow-up sequence. Most people send one email and give up when they don't get a response. But professional cold emailers know that most deals happen between the 5th and 12th touch point. Your follow-up emails should provide additional value, share case studies, or offer new insights about their business. Here's where most people mess up. They focus too much on themselves and what they can do. Instead, focus entirely on the prospect and their problems. Every sentence should be about them, their challenges, and how your solution specifically helps their situation. Your email setup is crucial for success. You can't just send hundreds of emails from your personal Gmail account. You need proper domains, warming protocols, and delivery infrastructure. This means purchasing multiple domains, setting up email accounts, and gradually increasing your sending volume to build sender reputation. The warming process typically takes 2 to 4 weeks. You start by sending just a few emails per day from each account, then gradually increase volume. You want to mimic natural human email behavior, so your messages land in the primary inbox instead of spam folders. Once your accounts are warmed up, you can scale to sending hundreds of emails per day. But volume without quality is worthless. Every email should feel personally written for that specific recipient. This means researching each prospect and customizing your message accordingly. Tracking and optimization are essential for long-term success. You need to monitor open rates, response rates, and conversion rates for every campaign. If your open rates are low, work on your subject lines. If people are opening but not responding, improve your email copy. If they're responding but not converting, refine your offer. The businesses that pay the most for cold email services are typically in high-value industries. Think real estate, insurance, professional services, software, and e-commerce. These industries understand that one new customer can be worth thousands of dollars, so they're willing to invest in proven lead generation. Your pricing should reflect the value you provide. If you help a business generate an extra $50,000 in revenue, charging $5,000 for your services is a no-brainer for them. Always price based on the value delivered, not the time invested. As you build your client base, testimonials and case studies become your most powerful sales tools. Nothing sells like proof that your strategies actually work. Document every success story and use them to attract even bigger clients. The path to $10,000 per month is straightforward. Start by charging smaller amounts for simpler services, maybe $500 to $1,000 for basic email campaigns. As you prove results and gain confidence, increase your prices and take on bigger projects. Within 90 days of consistent effort, reaching 5-figure months becomes entirely achievable. Remember, this is a skill that becomes more valuable over time. As you gain experience, you'll develop insights that allow you to charge premium prices. The businesses that succeed with cold email today will have massive competitive advantages tomorrow. Economic uncertainty actually creates more opportunities for skilled cold emailers. When budgets get tight, businesses need to make their marketing more efficient. They can't afford to waste money on strategies that don't work. This makes your proven cold email expertise even more valuable. The key to rapid success is treating this like a real business from day one. Set up proper systems, track your metrics, and continuously improve your processes. The entrepreneurs making serious money with cold email aren't just sending random emails. They're running sophisticated operations that deliver predictable results. Your 90-day action plan starts today. Week 1 through 2, set up your infrastructure and begin warming your email accounts. Week 3 through 6, start sending small volumes while testing and refining your messages. Week 7 through 12, scale your volume and begin closing your first paid clients. By day 90, you should have multiple clients paying recurring fees for your cold email services. This strategy works because it solves real problems for real businesses. You're not selling some abstract concept, you're helping companies generate more revenue, which is something every business needs regardless of economic conditions. Master this skill, and you'll have built yourself a recession-proof income source that only becomes more valuable over time.